Look at that, Eli. Look at, they're fighting him. He's fighting him. Come look. Come right over here. Get over here. Look right out the window. They're just jakes. Look, look, look. You see him right there? You see the dead one right there? Look at that, Eli.
Yeah.
Look. Keep looking out the window.
I see him.
You could shoot him if you wanted to. I don't think you can shoot my gun, can you?
I don't know.
You can't shoot my gun, can you?
No. I see it.
You see him?
Yeah.
That's all right. You don't have to kill everything.